it was a little local before. Here go my coming of age story. I remember a while back before I was it was Antonio Atona, my fam called me that. The big homie Boo Man hit me to the process of getting money, so getting money was the object of following him. And Chubb was a lesson. If I was ignorant to the fact, I asked questions. What's this white shit? Can I hit that blunt? What type of gun is this? What type of gun is that one? Was infatuating with him first time I buzzed one. Damn near broke my elbow with the shotgun, ready to be a killer, even though I'm not one. If I was provoked, you getting stumped out, choke. I damn near drowned when I hopped out the boat, trying to walk on water, but they made me try harder. Fam, the streets like school, like around the fourth quarter, the winter time, gotta switch up your grind harder. See, even back then it was BMB, still in my bird whip with GMC. I told them to set out them hoes, they told me drive slow, watching them in a fast lane. I'm like, I don't know. So let's fast forward to now while I'm writing this down. I know the faster it come, the faster it go, but can we rewind to a time I realized I could rhyme, spitting on every beat I can find, and the flow had grew with time. So I copped me a one-way ticket into Cali, I fly. So now when I'm rapping with the homies, they say grind hard, fam, stay strong, homie, stay strong, homie, stay strong. You never know, homie, which path you go, homie. Can be right or wrong, but stay strong, homie, stay strong.
You don't work, you don't eat, you don't grind, you don't shine. I done heard that line at least a million damn times. I took heed and chopped me about a million damn dimes, but I fucked up my pack at least a million damn times. Now shall I rewind to a time before 20s and dimes? I'm hitting the skating rink and jumping the line. Nautica cold in my J's, I'm fine. Hawaiian silk and had my shit on shine. Box curl with the waves on the side. Turkish link with my initials on it. Saints lock in, hell no, we ain't miss them, homie. Damn murder, I miss you, homie. Solo and everybody else who gone. My mama told me that I see when I'm grown, that everybody ain't your damn friend. And cause you got the same blood don't mean they gon' treat you like your damn kin. So at the end of the day, get your head up and do what you gotta to get your bread up. Stay strong, homie. Stay strong, homie. You never know, homie, what path to go, homie. Could be right or wrong, but stay strong, homie. Stay strong.
Stay strong, homie.